Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting what to include in the archive and making sure Android Studio isn't locking files. Open your project folder in the File Explorer, then locate build/outputs and any assets you need. Once done, make sure the JDK zip tools or OS zip utility are available. You'll need them for command line steps. You're preparing the inputs, not performing the zip yet. This reduces errors and speeds the actual zipping process when you switch to terminal commands or a Gradle task. You'll create the zip from the project root using a simple command so paths remain relative. Open the terminal pane or a separate shell, then run zip-r app package. Zip app/build/outputs*. You can include multiple folders and files by listing them. Use quotes for patterns. If you need to exclude caches or large folders, append x ***/caches/** or other patterns. Make sure to verify the resulting size and entries with unzip L, so you finish by making the step repeatable and verifying integrity. Add a Gradle task or shell script that runs zip with the same include/exclude patterns. This saves time and avoids mistakes. After creating the archive, run unzip toutput. Zip to test it, and open a file to confirm. If something goes wrong, check for file locks from Android Studio, incorrect permissions, or wrong relative paths. If you still see problems, rebuild artifacts and repeat the zip with fresh outputs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.